We guide you through how to delete all Google search history on your PC, laptop, or Mac in just a few quick steps. First thing to do is to open your browser and go to myactivity.google.com, then sign in to your Google account on the left side. Click Web and App Activity. Once the page opens, scroll down and select Manage All Web and App Activity. At the top, click Delete, then choose Delete All Time. Confirm your choice by selecting your account and clicking Delete again. This removes your entire Google search history across all devices. To also clear local browser history, open Chrome, press Ctrl plus H or Command plus Y on Mac. Click Clear Browsing Data, choose All Time, select Browsing History, Cookies, and CAC files, and hit Clear Data. After this, both your Google account search history and browser's history are fully deleted.